Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to guide you how to enhance your WhatsApp marketing by using only WhatsApp numbers. I have a software named as WhatsApp Turbo Filter which is used to filter WhatsApp numbers. Now I am going to show you how to filter WhatsApp numbers by using WhatsApp Turbo Filter. You can see this is the latest variant 10.1 of this software and it is 100% working. Now let's get started. First, log into your WhatsApp account. If you want to buy this software, please contact me on the detail you shown on your screen. Now let's generate the numbers. Write the country code and the number here and set the increment always be 1. Now enter the quantity how many numbers you want to generate. You can see 5000 numbers generated here. Now let's select the folder and start the filtration process. If you want to purchase this software, please contact me on the detail you shown on your screen. By using this software, you can easily filter 10k numbers in only 2 to 3 minutes. This software is fast, advanced and accurate. You can see this software is 100% working here. The speed of the software depends upon the speed of the internet because this software is web-based. You can see number filtered in only 2 minutes. Now export the numbers which have WhatsApp account from here. If you want to enhance your WhatsApp marketing, subscribe to our channel and stay tuned to us. Thanks for watching my video. Stay happy. Allah Hafiz.